Decided to go for a bike ride. Got the Ripper out down here in Port Hueneme. Pretty dope little park. Goes to the beach down that way. Headed there now. End of the road brought me here. Nice little wash outlet into the sea here. Beach is right there over these little dunes. I'm not going in the sandy part. Yeah. Nice. Oh, finally found the use for my little Harley bag. It's my cell phone holder while I'm riding. There I am. Port Hueneme. There's the Navy base. And I came from over yonder. I started those buildings. Went over there to the creek. And there's this lovely Oxnard for you. The end of this nice little pier. See. Hey, lazy boys and girls. I know it's been a long time since I posted anything on YouTube, but this is the year, baby. Getting back into it. Got the bike out. Getting on 2 wheels, getting the hog back in action. It's all just a work in progress, but this summer and spring it's on and cracking for show. YouTube videos are coming back, just be patient. I know it's been a long time, but it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know. We dealt the cards we are dealt. We play them how we play them. That's life, baby. Anyways, check this out. This is where I'm bike riding. This little stream. Look at all these friggin' ducks. Ducks, geese, and you name it. Pretty crazy, but I dig it. I've been wanting to bike ride here for a cool minute. Look at these guys. Just dozens and dozens of them. This is part of that drainage that shows on the beach out there where we just were. Yep. This is awesome. Yep. Well, back to the grind. See you later.